our unit that we're studying at the moment, most of it is about different forms of energy and how energy can be stored and transformed to different kinds of energy. And for the assembly, the students really wanted to show some experiments to show these different concepts and the science involved behind the energy. The students were put into random groups of 3 students, and then they researched an experiment that they'd like to do. And they created displays to show the forms of energy, the transformation of energy, or how it's stored. Then they tried out the experiments. We did some problems and solutions to try and help them go as smoothly as possible. And the end result is what we see here today.
I made a non-Newtonian fluid with my group, and our non-Newtonian fluid is a type of energy is potential energy, kinetic energy, and mechanical energy. Energy transformation. First, you bump the non-Newtonian fluid, it will become the potential energy. Potential energy will change to kinetic energy. Then kinetic energy will change to mechanical energy. Material, cornflowers and water and color pigment. Instruction. First, put water and color pigment and cornflower together. Use a spoon to whisk, and the non-Newtonian fluid is done.
My experiment is vortex candle. Vortex candle is a thing that can make vortex ring. Do you know how does it work? First, you need to pull the rubber band. Then you lose that. Then the air it gathers together. And when you lose that, it will shoot the air out. And it is vortex ring. Vortex ring is a thing that's made of air.